Welcome to the December 2024 edition of CorpsConnection, and happy holidays from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We begin this month's program with a look at our continuing recovery efforts and assistance in support of FEMA in the hardest hit areas of North Carolina. Our Wilmington District Commander, Colonel Brad Morgan, provides an update on the USACE activities in Western North Carolina as we continue to assist our fellow citizens in the wake of Hurricane Helene.
So far, we've removed probably about 450,000 cubic yards of debris, all storm related and event driven. Most of that's been along the right-of-ways and a lot of the counties that we've been working in. We've also been working hard down in Lake Lure itself, removing the floating waterway debris there. We're about halfway finished with that quantity of debris that we pulled from the lake. And if any of y'all saw the pictures of kind of the floating debris field there within Lake Lure itself, that debris field has now been cleared. So we're excited to have great progress on our debris removal operations.
In addition to debris removal, USACE continues to work on solutions to provide drinking water to localities as well as wastewater treatment capabilities to various communities. In our Omaha district, the Gavins Point Dam Powerhouse has recently received some new hardware. 6 new bulkhead gates, which replace gates that have reached the end of their lifespan and will continue to help keep maintenance crews safe when they have to go inside the dam.
When we go into annual maintenance, they drop these gates and men are behind these gates, so it keeps the water out so we can actually do the maintenance on the inside of the unit.
Each gate weighs 38,000 pounds and is a critical piece to allowing the dam to provide power for 68,000 homes annually. Finally, we turn our focus to Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, which was celebrated as GIS Day on November 19th. St. Paul District Geographer Joel Porterfield talks about how important GIS is for USACE.
Anything that's related to where things are is important to know for projects. It's collecting attributes of what is in a certain place.
GIS allows USACE to connect geographic data in a visual format, helping to paint a full picture for end users on what items and events exist or occurred in a specific location. That wraps up December's CorpsConnection. To see the full-length stories of what we covered here, check out the links in the description. Be sure to let us know what you think, and be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, I'm Patrick Bloodgood, and this has been CorpsConnection.